If you own a pair of Sennheiser Momentum 3 wireless headphones and you'd like to use them for TV watching, well, you're in good hands. Sennheiser Momentum 3 is one of the few high-end Bluetooth noise-canceling headphones that support aptX-Low latency, the current most widely used technology in eliminating Bluetooth audio delays. However, this feature only works when the Momentum 3 is connected to something that also supports aptX-Low latency. So to utilize this feature, you'll most likely need an aptX-Low latency Bluetooth audio adapter in between the headphones and your TV. Something like this. You can find the links to these highly rated Bluetooth adapters in the descriptions below. Alright, now let's do a quick demonstration. To begin with, please get your Momentum 3 headphones into Bluetooth pairing mode by pressing and holding the Bluetooth button until the LED indicator starts flashing red and blue. Next, connect your Bluetooth adapter to a power source and get it into pairing mode as well.
Pairing mode. Please put your device into pairing mode and wait.
Give them a few seconds. Once connected, you'll hear "Phone 1 connected" through the headphones. And the indicators on the adapter should confirm that they've connected using aptX-Low latency. Finally, connect the adapter to your TV and make the necessary settings. Now you're good to go! This video is produced by Avantree, the industry leader in low-latency audio adapters for TV, laptops, and AV receivers. Check out our newly updated website and our Amazon storefront for more. Thanks for watching.